Hi, I'm Eric, Customer Success Manager here at Anker. I'm going to show you how you can set up your ACC or BIM360 and then synchronize your files from ACC and over to Anker. So the first thing you can do is go over to our homepage and find frequently asked questions. Here you can read about how to connect with BIM360, and this also means ACC. So if we start with BIM360, you head over to your account. You need to have account admin for the BIM360. So go to your admin page, go to settings, then you go to custom integration. So you see, I already have Anker added, but for you, you will need to add a custom integration here. You can uncheck this one because we only need access to the document management. You invite yourself as the developer, and then from here you fill in some information, first with the Forge client ID. You can go back here and you can copy this and paste it. You give it a name, Anker, some description. You don't need this, but you can have it. You click next, and yeah, maybe this one as well. And then you have added it. And then for the ACC, you can head over to ACC. You also go to account admin. You go to custom integration. Same here. I have my added, but for you, you need to add custom integration. You paste ACC client ID. You give it a name, description, and then you can add it as well. So yeah, I have already added it. So when you have done this, you can head over to Anker. Let's see, Anker here. Then you can click on this BIM360/ACC button. Then you will need to log in to your ACC account. And when you have done that, you will get access to your hub and to your projects. So you can select project, you can select the project you need to sync. You will see the folder structure. For this example, I want to add models from this folder, Euphemia's Gata, and I want to add the Revit files. And then you can see the 3 Revit files I have in this project. And when you select the folders, then you can also enable webhooks. And then by doing this, you will always keep your ACC folders updated with your Anker project. So go ahead, click sync files, and this will start importing your files.